I'm live. Okay, cool. So I'm going to be talking about something that I just learned earlier this week on LinkedIn. And this is why you should have a LinkedIn profile and be using LinkedIn, because you learn about some stuff that is going to be interesting to you, working in any kind of, especially working in tech. There's all kinds of new opportunities. There's all kinds of great people to follow, all kinds of great companies to follow. And I actually learned about this one because of somebody that I followed. So AWS has a new mentorship program. It's called AWS Shebuilds. And you can see the information right here. It's a unique program that will connect mentees with a diverse group of women from AWS to mentor, encourage, and support through professional and personal development within the tech field. So to be eligible, you have to identify as a female and are 18 plus years of age, currently studying, working, or pursuing a career in the tech field. You're available to meet with your mentor at least fortnightly. And honestly, I don't know what fortnightly means. I want to say monthly. I don't know. But basically over a 12-week period. I have to Google what fortnightly. I'm just kind of going off whenever they say you have a meeting, there's a meeting. I don't know what fortnightly means. You're available to attend the kickoff, mid-program, and end-of-program events. So the kickoff, I believe, is actually this morning. Okay, it's not started yet, but it says the deadline to apply is submit your application by the 30th of June, which is today, 11:59. I'm assuming that's American Eastern Standard. I don't know. Let's go ahead and see if I can Google that real quick, how fast my computer is operating. Search Google, American Eastern Standard Time. Oh, it's Australian Eastern Standard Time. Wrong country for the A. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So 9:50 p.m. today is whenever it looks like you need to apply. Let's see. So by 9 o'clock tonight is whenever you need to apply. And let's see. I'm kind of going down a rabbit hole right now. So I wonder if that's now considered yesterday. So let's see. So we got, let's go ahead and put this at 11 o'clock. Time zones suck to try to convert, especially whenever you go outside the United States. So it looks like if it's 11 o'clock p.m., it's 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So basically you have about an hour. So if you're watching this, great. If you're not watching this, right now and the time frame to apply for this, I can still help you out on how to. It might not necessarily be the mentorship program, but there's still some opportunities available. So yeah. So if you're watching this live now, go ahead and check out this website and apply really quickly. And if you're over 18 years of age, currently studying, working, or pursuing, those things I already read. The other purpose of this is to make meaningful connections, which kind of goes with networking. Yesterday, I talked about LinkedIn as a way to connect and network with people. One of the reasons Hawking College and their Pathway to Prosperities is so adamant about joining LinkedIn, and I echo that, I reinforce that in my classes, is because you're making connections with people around the world. And, you don't necessarily know where things are going to end up. You don't necessarily know where your path is going to lead you. And my personal experiences is like a perfect testament to that. But you don't know what you don't know, and you're able to make these connections and build these relationships with people. And this mentorship program looks like it's a great way to do just that. So how will you match me with a mentor? Mentors and mentees will answer specific questions to ensure that you're matched with the most appropriate mentor. How much time do you need to commit as a mentee? We expect you to be able to commit to the meetings with your mentor at least fortnightly. Let's go ahead and Google what fortnightly is. I don't know. I'm saying monthly. And it's fortnightly. Every 2 weeks. Okay. 14 days. Every 2 weeks, not once a month, but looks like every 2 weeks. Okay. So submit your application by this time, which is like 9 o'clock our time right now. It's no cost, fully funded, and you will be contacted if you've been accepted, sometime in late July. Now, there is an initial meeting. Like I said, it's this morning, which kind of makes sense. That's why I kind of started taking a deeper dive, going down the rabbit hole, exactly when the cutoff time was. Because I just saw 11:59 on June 30th. That's tonight. Yeah, that threw me off. Okay. But it is what it is. But if you are interested in learning about technology and you recently graduated high school, either this year or last year, we're offering students, again, who just graduated high school this year or last year, an opportunity to start preparing for their AWS cloud computing journey. So we have a variety of different short-term certifications here at Hocking College. So there's some of the other ones. I want to talk about those. That's not mine. AWS Academy, that's mine. So AWS Academy, it's an open enrollment. Don't worry about this stuff right here. It's open enrollment. We start cohorts every so often. Just depends whenever we get some students and how many students we get. Just kind of depends. We'll start a new cohort every so often as needed. But it's basically an open enrollment. So we try to keep it as flexible because everybody's busy. We know that. It's 100% online. It's this AWS Academy. We are an official AWS Academy with AWS. And we are, last time I checked, we were only one of two in the state of Ohio, which is something that I'm personally proud about. And it has great curriculum. It has lectures and hands-on labs, group discussions, not just from me, but from people who actually work with AWS and have built a curriculum and designed it and have firsthand experience working with Amazon. And so what we're offering for high school students who graduated this year, just graduated about a month or so ago, or last year in 2020 when everything was happening and falling apart at the same time, we are offering you the opportunity to take this course at no charge up until August. So that will leave about a month. So you'll be able to have access to this course at no charge for about a month until August. I forget the exact date, but tomorrow's July, so a month. And we're offering that at no charge. And students we're allowing Hocking students. One of the incentives and one of the benefits of coming to Hocking College is the fact that you have access to AWS and Google and a variety of different other technologies. And if all Hocking College students are eligible to receive this whole program at no charge for just being a Hocking College student. So they don't have to pay that. If after the 1 month and you decide you're just not ready to come to Hocking College yet, or other things are going on, trust me, I know that. And you want to continue pursuing the AWS Academy course, it's going to be prorated based off, I think we're going to charge $4.99 instead of the $5.99. So in short, if you graduated from high school this year or last year, 2021 or 2020, you can go ahead and get started now on the AWS Academy at no charge. Okay. Come August, you can enroll in Hocking College, any program, and we have a variety of different programs, everything from business to data analytics to cybersecurity, that this could be AWS skills can be a huge benefit for. Any program at Hocking College, you can continue to the program at no charge, or you can pay $4.99 to continue the program. So the program itself, the AWS, Amazon recommends like 6 months of experience before you set for the certification. So this program will help prepare you for the certification exam. The dates, like I said, they're an open enrollment date. So I won't worry too much about the dates you see right here. Some students do things faster than others, but we have a continuous support system for people who are working and learning about cloud technology and looking to start their career in the cloud. So there's 2 takeaways from today. Today was I wanted to talk about, you got about an hour to apply for this because it's Australian Eastern time zone. Check this out. If you meet this criteria, check it out and apply. And even if you don't meet the criteria or you're watching this at a time when this is application deadline is passed, let me know if you're interested in the short-term certs here at Hocking College. Again, if you graduated this year or last year, from high school, you're eligible to start this for free and not to worry about that. And come August, you let us know what you're wanting to do, and we'll figure out, the best way for you to meet your goals. So that's it for this Awesome Web Stuff Wednesday. Awesome Web. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. And I thank you. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll put the stuff in the comments below.